Hello students, I am Mary here. Welcome to Math. Today we are going to study from class 9, chapter 2 polynomials, exercise 2.5, question 4. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. Here we are going to study the fifth and the sixth part. Already the four parts I have done in previous videos. Here the last two parts, that is fifth and the sixth part, we are going to do. So same way as I explained to you in previous videos, we have to find the suitable identity for this, and I already told you how to find the identity. In your textbook, identities are given to you. You have to see here x, y, z is there and the whole square. So which identity we have like that? So we have the identity here, the fifth identity, where x, y, z whole square is there. So this is the expansion we have to write. So here I have written down, and in the place of x, what value is given to us, that we have to write down. So in the place of x, for us what is given? Minus 2x is there. And in the place of y, we have 5y is there. And in the place of z, we have minus 3z. So wherever x, y, z is there, we have to place this value and then solve the sum. So let's see now. Place of x square, write down x square, we have minus 2x. So minus 2x square plus, in the place of y, we have 5y and whole square, plus in the place of z, we have minus 3z whole square, plus 2 we write as it is into x. X is minus 2x. Then in the place of y, we have minus 3z. In the place of y, we have 5y. We have 5y we have 5. So we have to just write the value of it. X is minus 2x and then y is 5y we have. So now plus, then 2 we write as it is. In the place of y, we have 5y, and in the place of z, we have minus 3z. So now plus we'll write as it is. 2 we write as it is. In the place of z, we have minus 3z. In the place of x, we have minus 2x. So while writing, we have to be very careful. So let us check now. X square we have written, y square we have written, z square we have written, 2xy we have written, 2yz we have written, then 2zx we have written. So now let's continue to solve it. So minus, square is there, so minus into minus. So minus into minus will become plus or get cancelled. So we will have 2 2s are 4. Then x square. Now plus 5 square. So 5 into 5, 25. Then y square. Now here plus. Now this is minus, and minus is twice. Twice means I told you minus gets cancelled. Or minus into minus we say plus. So this becomes plus. Then 3 square will become 9. Then 9z square. Z square will become. So now plus. Now inside the bracket let me write down. So 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So 20. Now here minus is there, 1 minus is there, will become minus. So now x is there, y is there, so xy. Now this plus will write as it is. Now here you see 2 5s are 10. 10 into 3, 30. So let's write down 30. So now 1 minus is there, so minus will come. Now yz will write down. So now this plus here. Now inside the bracket, now 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So let's write down 12. So minus into minus will become plus. So this will be plus. Now z and x is left. So z and x is left. So we write down. So now let's write this. 4x square will remain as it is. 25y square plus 9z square, plus into minus will become minus 20xy, plus into minus will become minus 30yz plus 12zx. So let's just go through if we have missed something. 1. So we have written everything as it is. So this is the answer. So now let's move for the 6th part. So here also better to write down the value of x, y, z. So x, in the place of x we have to write 1 upon 4a. And in the place of y, what is given to us? Minus 1 upon 2b. Then in the place of z, what is given to us is 1. So wherever now x, y, z is there, we have to place this value and then solve it. So this identity also matching the same identity for the whole sum question 4. The same identity is suitable one. So we take it that only. So in the place of x square, let us write down x square. So x is what here? 1 upon 4a is our x. Now the whole square. So plus, in the place of y we have minus 1 upon 2b whole square. Plus, in the place of z we have 1. Plus 2 we write as it is. In the place of x we have 1 upon 4a. And in the place of y we have minus 1 upon 2b we have. So now plus. Now what we have? 2. 2 write as it is. And in the place of y we have minus 1 upon 2b. And in the place of z we have 1. Plus, in 2 we write as it is. In the place of z we have 1. Then in the place of x we have 1 upon 4a. So now let's solve it. Now it is square. 1 square will be 1. Then 4 square will be 16. Then we have a square. So plus. Now minus into minus will become plus. So minus twice if it becomes plus. So we will get 1 because minus 1 into minus will get plus 1. So we will get 1. Then 2 square will become 4. Then b square. Now plus this 1. Now we'll write plus here. 2 we have here also we have 2. So let's cancel 2 with 2. So then what we have now? We have 1 into 1 upon 4 only we will get 4. And but minus is here, so we will get minus. Because 1 into minus 1, so it will become minus 1. Then 4 is there, we'll get 4 only. Because if you take LCM also, you'll get 1 upon 4 only. Then what is left? A and B is left. So A and B. Now plus, here we have 2 will get cancelled. So we have minus 1 into 1. We will get minus 1. Then B. Minus 1 b we will have, because minus 1 minus we have, so 1 minus we have 1 into 1 1 and then b plus. Now 2 2s are 4, so we'll get cancelled, so we'll have 2 times 4, no, so 1 times 2 and 2 times 4. So then now 1 into 1, then we'll get 2, and this a we write as it is. So now let's write down properly. 1 upon 16 a square plus 1 upon 4 b square plus 1 Now plus into minus will become minus 1 upon 4 AB, plus into minus will become minus 1 into B also will become only B, plus 1 upon 2 A. So just have a look if we can reduce still. Yes, still we can reduce because there is 1 is there. This 1 into A also can, this also is correct answer only, but still we can further reduce 1 upon 16 A square plus 1 upon 4 B square plus 1, minus, this plus 1, then minus 1 upon 4 AB minus B plus, now 1 into A also you can write A upon 2. So this way also you can write or. This is also, it's okay, this also is okay. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.